I never thought in a million years that I'll be recreating a Taylor Swift cookie recipe. This is basically a sugar cookie with added spices and it's absolutely delicious. To start, you want to add in half a cup of melted butter and half a cup of oil. The type of oil that you use doesn't really matter, but I'm using vegetable oil. Add in 1/4 cup of white sugar and give everything a good stir. As you can see, I didn't really mix everything in well, but add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 egg. Sugar cookies are a pretty basic no-fail recipe, so it doesn't really matter the sort of ingredients that you use. Like you could use a cold egg or a room temperature egg, and it's not going to have a huge effect on the outcome of your cookie. Once all the ingredients have been added in, switch to a whisk. It'll be a lot easier to mix things. And stir everything until it's fully mixed in. It should eventually form a paste. Add in half a cup of powdered sugar. Stir the mixture and then we're going to add in our chai tea. I live in New Zealand, so this is the chai tea that I found. I know that Taylor Swift is in America, so I'm not 100% sure if the ingredients will be exact, but I'm sure we'll be pretty close. So grab your chai tea bag and cut it open with some scissors and literally just pour the mixture inside the tea bag into the cookie batter. When I was first making this recipe, I was a bit concerned about how it would actually taste because I know that chai is quite a strong flavor. But now I understand why the powdered sugar is added in because it adds a bit of sweetness to it. So it kind of balances the chai flavor. Lastly, add in your 2 cups of self-raising flour. Stir everything up and it will form a dough. I'm surprised that this batter was so soft. I didn't actually have to use my electric mixer because everything came together really nicely. Once all your flour has been fully mixed in, it will form a soft dough. Next, transfer the dough to a workbench. Sprinkle a little bit of flour to make sure that the dough doesn't stick when we're rolling it out. Roll the dough to about 2 inches in thickness. Then grab out a circle cookie cutter. You can really do whatever shape you want, but for the video I'll be doing circles. Cut out your cookies and then place them on a non-stick baking sheet. Bake the cookies for 20 to 30 minutes until they are all golden brown. Making the glaze for the cookies was super easy. It's literally just 3 ingredients. You don't need an electric mixer and you can just do everything from one bowl. Add in 2 tablespoons of milk. In the video, I actually added in way too much milk, so stick to only 2 tablespoons. Then add in 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And lastly, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Give everything a stir and it will form a nice glaze. Like I said earlier, I added in way too much milk, so I'm just adding a bit of powdered sugar to sort of level it out. Just look at how delicious that glaze is. It's almost like the Krispy Kreme glazed donut glaze. Lay the cookies out on a wide rack or a plate and start icing them. I only added small blobs of the icing to the cookie because if you add too much, it will actually spill over the sides. You can skip this part unless you want to see me icing the cookies. I love the way these cookies turned out, and the icing definitely adds a nice sweetness to the cookie because the chai can be slightly bitter without the icing, but overall I would definitely recommend making these. They are super simple, and when they first came out of the oven I literally ate like 5 of these. Still warm because they were so good. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I upload every 4 days and I'll see you in my next video.